I'm going to test out some of the latest sleep-stealing technologies and see if I can wake up feeling refreshed after a night with them. Spoiler alert, it didn't go well, but don't worry, I've got some strategies to help us all sleep better in our tech-filled world. We often wake up feeling groggy and unrefreshed, despite getting a full night's sleep. The culprits, the very devices we rely on daily. Our smartphones, tablets and computers emit blue light that disrupts our natural sleep-wake cycle. This light tricks our brains into thinking it's still daytime, making it harder to fall asleep and affecting our REM sleep. Even our smart home devices can be sleep disruptors. The constant hum and occasional notifications can interrupt our sleep without us even realizing it, leading to fragmented sleep patterns. 5 strategies for better sleep in a digital world. Let's dive into some practical solutions to combat these tech-induced sleep issues and improve our sleep quality. 1. Establish a digital curfew. Set a strict screens-off time at least an hour before bed. This allows your brain to start producing melatonin, the sleep hormone, naturally. Use this time to engage in relaxing activities like reading a physical book, journaling, or light stretching. If you must use a device, consider wearing blue light blocking glasses to minimize the impact on your sleep cycle. 2. Create a tech-free sanctuary. Transform your bedroom into a sleep oasis. Remove TVs, computers, and even your smartphone from the room. If you must use your phone as an alarm, put it in Do Not Disturb mode and place it face down. Consider investing in an old-fashioned alarm clock to eliminate the need for your phone entirely. Decorate your room with calming colors and use blackout curtains to create an ideal sleep environment. Most devices now have a night mode or blue light filter feature. Enabling this in the evening can really help reduce exposure to sleep-disrupting blue light. Set it to automatically activate a few hours before your bedtime. Additionally, you might want to consider installing blue light filtering apps on your devices for more comprehensive protection. Remember, while night mode helps, it's not a substitute for reducing overall screen time before bed. Mindful meditation before bed can, really help calm your mind and transition from the digital world to the dream world. Start with just 5 to 10 minutes of guided meditation using apps like Headspace or Calm. As you become more comfortable, try extending your practice or exploring different meditation techniques like body scans or visualization exercises. Consistency is key. Aim to meditate at the same time each night to establish a routine. Invest in blackout curtains to block out artificial light from outside. Consider using a white noise machine to mask any disruptive sounds from smart devices. Pay attention to your bedroom temperature. Experts recommend keeping it between 60 and 67 degrees Fahrenheit or 15 to 19 degrees Celsius for optimal sleep. Choose breathable, comfortable bedding and consider using a weighted blanket for added relaxation. Lastly, try incorporating calming scents like lavender into your bedroom through essential oils or pillow sprays. Now let's talk about why these strategies work. It's all about working with our body's natural rhythms. Our bodies operate on a circadian rhythm, a natural 24-hour cycle that regulates our sleep-wake patterns. By reducing our exposure to artificial light and digital stimulation in the evening, we're allowing our bodies to produce melatonin naturally, preparing us for a restful night's sleep. Implementing these strategies has made a world of difference in my sleep quality. Remember, good sleep hygiene is a crucial part of digital wellness. By being mindful of our technology use, especially before bed, we can combat sleep disruption and wake up feeling refreshed and revitalized. If you're still struggling with sleep issues despite these strategies, don't hesitate to consult a healthcare professional. Conditions like sleep apnea can sometimes be the underlying cause of persistent sleep problems. Thanks for watching. Whether you're a tech-savvy Gen Z student, a millennial professional seeking work-life digital balance, or a Gen X parent trying to understand digital wellness for yourself and your kids, these strategies can help you improve your sleep quality and overall well-being. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone you know who could use a better night's sleep. Sweet dreams, and see you in the next video.